Hello friends, and not yet friends. This crispy tofu is one of my favorite healthy toppings for nourishing bowls like this congee. It's super flavorful with Chinese 5 spice, sweet maple syrup, and tangy black vinegar, and it's super easy to make. With extra firm tofu. This tofu has already been drained and patted with a dry towel, and now I'm just crumbling it into chunks into another clean dry towel. Then squeeze. Pretty simple, but effective. Since the tofu no longer has this water in it, there's more room for our marinade to soak in. So dry your bowl, add the tofu back in, and let's add that flavor, which consists of a couple teaspoons of Chinese 5 spice powder, garlic powder, salt, a teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and a tablespoon plus a teaspoon of Chinese black vinegar and a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Give it a really good mix. Be gentle though so the tofu doesn't crumble too much, but as you can see, you might not have much control over that. Not to worry, those little bits will just be extra crunchy. Give your air fryer basket a little spray of oil, and then in goes the tofu. Air fry for 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 Celsius, and don't forget to shake it up halfway. And in no time, we have tasty, chewy tofu bitsies with little crispy edges. So delicious. Perfect for this breakfast savory rice porridge, aka congee. They are so good with this balance of salty, sweet, and tangy flavor with aromatic cinnamon and star anise and fennel from the Chinese 5 spice. What would you do with this intensely flavored tofu crumble? Let me know in the comments below. And before you ask, yes, you can make this in a regular oven too. Just spread them out on a parchment-lined baking sheet, keep the same temperature but just go for a little longer. I hope you liked this recipe. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more easy recipes coming soon-ish. I'm actually working on a series right now which I'm so excited to share with you, but it's going to take me a while because I want it to be perfect. But I just had to pop this video up as I'm also working on maintenance on my website, meatiest.kitchen.com, where you're going to find all my printable recipes. And I discovered this recipe didn't have a dedicated video, and I just couldn't let that fly. I'll also be updating some of my old videos, especially ones that were sponsored and because of that might not have been edited just the way I wanted, or weren't detailed enough, or maybe I just have some stuff to add. Please bear with me, my friends, as you'll see some old videos pop up again in your subscription boxes. They'll look familiar, but I promise I'll have made them better. Anyways, I miss you lots. Bye for now.